Hi, good morning everybody. How are you? Okay, so today we will learn about addition. What is addition? Addition means to put things together, also means combining and joining. Do you know what sign for addition? Let's see together. That's the plus sign for addition. Do you know how to add? Don't worry, let's teacher Umi teach you.
1 cotton candy plus 2 cotton candy equal 3. Let's practice together again. Teacher have 2 blue ice cream and you have 3 ice cream. How many ice cream do we have? Try to count. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we have 5 ice cream.
Do you guys get it? Okay, see you next class. Bye!